Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete or close your Wise account. First thing first, open the Wise website or mobile app and log in to your account. Now click on your name or profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now scroll down and click Close Account. Wise will guide you through the next steps before permanently shutting down your account. You may be asked to confirm by entering your password or a security code. Just note that closing your account will stop access to transfers, balances, and your Wise card. And if you still have money in your Wise balance, you must withdraw it before closing, and subscriptions or standing orders linked to Wise will be cancelled. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.